สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone, welcome to my reading and writing course. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use these folders, what they are, and how you can use them effectively. Alright, so this is, the first folder that you're going to see is tutorial video. This is exactly where I'm going to put this video in. And in this folder, I also have YouTube playlist and corrections. So let's take a look at the YouTube playlist first because that's important. Before you even start session 1, you should watch my YouTube playlist first. So let's check it out what it is. YouTube playlist here, I have the playlist URL here, the link. When you click it, it will direct you to the whole playlist on my YouTube channel. And it will start with vowel video, I think, but the first one that you have to click and start is lesson 1. So when you click it here, it's gonna link you to the video for lesson 1. That's the video that I assign my students to watch before coming to my class. So you want to watch that first. If you don't want to watch that, that's okay too. You can just start with the session 1 video and you can actually watch this as a recap later. Again, this is the link for the whole list, for the whole playlist, and this is the link that I put it classify and goes by each lesson. Yeah, as you can see, we don't have assigned videos for every lesson. That's why the number jump like this: lesson 1, 4, 12, 14, 15. That is because I have the video for watching before coming to class, so that you can just practice writing the letters before coming to my class, because my class is about how you combine those consonants and vowels together and how you can read words and phrases rather than practice writing in my class. That's why I have the videos on my channel, so you can just watch them first. After you get familiar with the consonant and stuff, you can just start with session 1. Session 1 is middle consonant, so let's see the structure of each folder. Each folder will start with a video first, so that's the video that I recorded from my class, and the second one will be material. This one will be pretty much the material only without my writing or note. The third one will be with my note. So this one is the one that I actually wrote in my class, so anything that I wrote and you see in a video, you get that too as a file here. Number 4 is the audio track. So what is that? Audio track is the track that I recorded everything in the material in Thai script. So basically, when you read anything in the material and you're not sure how to pronounce that, just click the audio because the audio goes along with the material. And I usually say page number so you can see which page I'm on. Yeah. And if I have any additional information or documents, I would just put in number 5, 6, 7 here. Alright, so you can see each lesson go like this. Start with video, material with my notes, and then audio track. So please note that you cannot download the videos. They are watchable on Google Drive only. You can see the last folder is summary. Summary will have session 16 video and a summary of the consonants and vowels that we learned in our course. So in this course, there are also 2 homework assignments for each lesson. In some sessions or some lessons, there might have been 3, but in general, there are 2 assignments. My suggestion for you is after you complete each session, you should do your homework before moving on to the next session. If you need extra service or you want me to check your homework and give you detailed feedback, you can sign up in my add-on service for checking homework. You also have 30 minutes free session with me, so you can schedule that with me during the course or after you finish the course. Alright, I hope you enjoy learning reading and writing with me, and I see you in class.